Hello, Wonder Kids! Are you ready to learn how to tell the time? Today, we have a fun quiz just for you, telling the time. Look at the clock carefully. The big hand is always on 12. That means it's a clock time. Now look at the small hand and guess the time. Choose the correct answer from the 3 options. Let's begin our time-telling adventure. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more fun learning. Alright, are you ready? Let's start it. When shorthand on 11, longhand on 12, can you tell time? Yes, correct. It's 11 o'clock. Time for cake. Shorthand on 5, longhand on 12. Can you tell me the time? You are right. It's 5 o'clock. When little hand on 2 and big hand on 12, what is the time? Correct. It's 2 o'clock. When little hand on 7 and big hand on 12, what is the time? That's correct. It is 7 o'clock. Shorthand on 3, longhand on 12. Can you tell the time? Yep, it's 3 o'clock. When shorthand on 8 and longhand on 12, what is the time? Excellent! It is 8 o'clock. When shorthand and longhand, both on 12, what is the time? Correct! It is 12 o'clock. Little hand on 9, big hand on 12. Can you tell the time? Yes, it's 9 o'clock. When shorthand on 6, longhand on 12, what is the time? You are correct. It is 6 o'clock. When little hand on 10, big hand on 12, what is the time? Right! It is 10 o'clock. When shorthand on 1, longhand on 12, what is the time? Yes, correct. It is 1 o'clock. When the little hand is on 4 and big hand is on 12, can you tell the time? Yeah, it's 4 o'clock. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss our fun learning videos.